You know, I probably do some of my best work early in the morning. It's about 7 o'clock right now, but I started this at about 5:30 this morning. Watched a YouTube video on how to make bass reflex port flanges, right? This is what I bought with this 3-inch PVC, and I was like, yeah, I could probably do better. And the end result is right here. I made this, right? Check this out. Screw some holes in there. This is actually up right here. Put some 1032s in there, cut it, and melted it. And I'll show you the trick here, and it has to do with using a heat gun and a good mold. So what I did, let's see, my first one, here we go. So this one right here, what I did is I put it on here like this, and then took the heat gun and just turned it until it started melting, and then just kind of pressed it down. And then when it was the same form as this little bowl right here, I took it off and then flattened it, you know, with my hands, because it was still semi-melted, to this. So it looked like that, right? And then I took the fan and cooled it down. Worked out really good, but you got to be careful with the heat and how you do it. This one right here, it didn't turn out very good because I didn't have enough heat right here, right? I may still be able to use this. It's a little wonky right there. It's not too bad. And then with this one, too much heat. It just bubbled up right here. Didn't turn out so good. So this stuff is so inexpensive to work with. I mean, was it $2-3 for a 2-foot piece of this stuff? But this is what I'm going to go with for King Jerry. Turned out pretty darn good. And you'll be able to screw it in. I'll use some neoprene gasket material to maintain a good seal on it. And I'll have to get another elbow. There'll be a lot of tweaking and sanding. You know, it's not level right there like this. So I'll just get the belt sander out and work on it a little bit to get it fit right. But the whole idea is to, when I get Super Jerry, I don't have Super Jerry out here, but you see the base port right there. See how I sanded the edges right there? That sounds so much better because it doesn't chop and cut the air in and out of that base port tube. So that is the whole premise by making this right here with a nice smooth, you know, trumpet, cornet, trombone kind of effect where the air goes in and out nice and smooth. Well, that's the idea. Hopefully it'll work. Should get my boxes in today and start drilling some holes and doing some measurements here. So more later on this, and talk to you later. Thanks.